Welcome to Sellora's official tutorial video. In today's video, we'll cover 3 key topics: why sell on Sellora, additional advantages, and what you'll need to get started. But first, what is Sellora? Sellora is an e-commerce platform designed to help sellers scale their businesses, reach new customers, and succeed in the online marketplace. Partnering with Sellora means joining a platform built around your success. Sellers love working with us because we offer 0% commission for the first 6 months. Maximize your profits during your launch period. No monthly subscription fees for lifetime. Enjoy complete freedom from hidden charges. Post-intro commission. After 6 months, standard sales-based commissions apply. Keep 100% of your profits during your first 6 months. A local and independent marketplace supporting small and medium businesses across the United States. Wider reach. Connect with B2B and B2C customers nationwide. Seamless seller tools. Easy product listing, inventory management, and order tracking. Marketing and promotion support. Get featured in campaigns and deals that boost visibility. Free listing and catalog support. Receive product listing help and onboarding assistance. Dedicated seller support. Our team assists you every step of the way. Secure and timely payments. Direct payouts to your PayPal business account. Transparent and fair policies. A seller-first, trust-driven marketplace. And that's not all. Sellora gives you even more advantages. Keep every dollar you earn during your intro period. Quick and simple onboarding process. Real-time analytics and performance insights. Tailored solutions for startups, SMEs, and established brands. Hassle-free returns and dedicated customer service support. Getting started on Sellora is quick and easy. Here's what you'll need: business tax ID, EIN, or business license number. ID proof, government ID, driver's license, or passport. Address proof. Utility bill, bank statement, or credit card statement. Bank account details for payouts, mobile number and email ID. Product catalog with clear images and descriptions. Agreement to Sellora's seller terms and conditions. Once your documents are verified and onboarding is complete, your store will go live, allowing you to start selling to our growing community of shoppers. To create your seller account, simply visit seller.sellora.com. We look forward to welcoming you as a Sellora seller and supporting your journey toward online success. Thanks for watching this video. For more such videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.